welcome to AJ's EO Infusions. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic that's perfect for anyone looking to boost their productivity and mental clarity, essential oils for focus. If you've ever felt like your mind is racing or you just can't concentrate, you're not alone. But what if I told you that a natural and holistic approach could help you reclaim your focus? Essential oils are gaining popularity for their ability to support mental clarity, and today I'll share how they can work for you too. Let's talk about what makes essential oils so effective for focus. Many essential oils have unique properties that can either stimulate or calm the mind, depending on what you need. This is where aromatherapy comes in. Did you know that certain scents can actually influence your mood and cognitive function? For example, peppermint can invigorate your senses, while lavender helps calm the chaos in your mind. But here's the key. Quality matters. Always choose high-quality essential oils from reputable sources like AJ's EO Infusions to ensure you're getting the best benefits. Now let's get into some amazing blends you can try today. Blend for mental clarity and alertness. Combine 3 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of rosemary, and 1 drop of lemon. This trio is fantastic for waking up your brain and staying sharp during work or study. Blend for stress and anxiety relief. Use 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of bergamot. This blend helps melt away stress while keeping your mind focused and productive. Blend for creativity and inspiration. Try 3 drops of ylang ylang, 2 drops of orange, and 2 drops of cedarwood. It's perfect for brainstorming sessions or when you need a burst of innovative thinking. Now that you have your blends, how do you use them? Here are 3 easy methods. 1. Diffuse. Add your blend to a diffuser and let it fill your space with its aroma. 2. Topical application. Mix your blend with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to your temples, wrists, or neck. 3. Inhalation. Add a drop to your palms, rub them together, and take a deep breath. Remember, always dilute essential oils properly before applying them to your skin, and do a patch test if you're trying a new oil. So there you have it, essential oil blends that can transform your focus, creativity, and productivity. Ready to try them? Head over to ajcoinfusions.com to grab your oils and a free essential oil guide. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite blend or how essential oils have helped you. Let's inspire each other to live our best, most focused lives.
Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for all notifications. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe at AJ's EO Infusions on YouTube. Shop now at ajseoinfusions.com and scan the QR code for our new website.